Hello, welcome to Ekidel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to optimize your structural drawing for Pi Foundation after you're done with your Pi Foundation design on Protastructure software, how to optimize your drawing perfectly and then get your drawing something like this. As you can see, this is a perfect way of how to perform your Pi Foundation drawing, and you can see the Pi caps are also intact. So on this video right now, I'll be showing you how to transfer your structural detail from Prota Structure down to Prota Details here, and then from Prota Details here, and then you will now transfer it to the Stonebridge template here, and from the Stonebridge template here, you will now get a perfect drawing just like this here, as you can see it here. So by the end of this lesson, you'll be seeing how we will get a perfect drawing for a Pi cap like this for this drawing, as you can see it here. Now if I navigate right now to this plan view here, you'll be able to see that this same drawing here, which is the 6-story building here, which I have done before on this platform, is the same drawing that we have here on this perfect drawing here. So by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to know how to how we got all these drawings perfectly using the Stonebridge template here, as you can see it here, and then how we also transferred all our drawing from this Prota detail app here on into the Stonebridge template and then into AutoCAD here. Okay, so right now let's sit tight and then watch up how to do this now. Bye. Okay, so let's begin for that right now on how to perform all this which I have just shared from this place here. Okay, so right now just sit tight and then let's begin for that. Bye for now. Hello, welcome to Ekidel. We are trained future civil and structural engineer. My name is Justice Onwoka and I am your instructor. Today I'll be showing you how to export your structural drawing from Prota Structure down to Stonebridge template, and I'll be dealing with the Pi Foundation for it. So looking at this right now, you can see that this is basically a 6-story building which we used a Pi Foundation to design. As you can see, the Pi caps are already in place. On my last video about this 6-story building, I showed you guys how to connect or how to create your connecting beam for your Pi Foundation. As you can see right now, this is the plan view of the Pi cap foundation. So on our last video, I showed you guys how to create these connecting beams and all that. Although I have not done a full design for a Pi Foundation here on Ekidel, although I think that should be due to time, but in time coming, we will be doing a Pi Foundation for you guys. Okay, so the current 16-story building which we are posting online on here on Ekidel is the building that we want to use to teach you guys how to perform a Pi Foundation. Like as we promised, that video of 16-story building will be a complete high-rise building design that we will drop on this our Ekidel channel for you guys to know how to design a high-rise building. Okay, so right now, as you can see, we have basically done for this 6-story building and for the Pi Foundation. Now once you're done with your Pi cap design and with your connecting beam design, as you can see that, and then the next thing to do right now is to now export your drawing down to Prota Detail first. Then from Prota Detail, you can now export your drawing to go and use the Stonebridge template to now perform your structural detailing using the Pi Foundation template, which I'll show you now on how to use that. Okay, so right now I will be exporting this now to Prota Detail. So by doing that now, I'll first of all go here and then I will now come here and click on what load Prota Details. Now before I do this, or before we proceed, I will say that if you have not clicked on the subscribe button, I will urge you to subscribe to our channel Ekidel and also like this video so that you don't miss our amazing video. You can also share this video to your friends and colleagues so that they will also know what you're doing here on Ekidel. Okay, so right now I will go back here and then click on what load Prota Detail. Now once I click on here right now, I will click on this place now, and then it's already open, so I'll just come here. It will just display this for you. Now once it displays this for you right now, which says the Prota detail environment, the first thing you do is to do what is to locate the file if the file is not yet located. So right now you can see that this is the file we are working with, and you can see the image here is showing. So on this place now, I'll just click on here and then say what, open. Okay, so I'll wait for it right now to now open or to load the project into Prota detail. Okay, so right now it is trying to load it now into the Prota detail, which is trying to load here. So let me just hold on for that to finish up. Okay, so as you can see right now it is still loading. Okay, so as you can see, I've already exported this drawing before. Like I said before, this is a real life project, so we have already exported all our drawing done on this Prota detail. So let me just open it right now and open up this one here. Okay, so as you can see right now, this is now the Pi foundation layout that was drawn with Prota details. As you can see, that this is basically the Pi foundation layout. As you can see, the dimensions and all that. So on this place right now, which is the Prota structure, this is the design interface. As you can see that. While this other place now, this other place here is the full detail interface, which is done with Prota details. Okay, so right now we are about to export this plan now into Prota structure, although there are other forms of plan that we are going to drop out. So let us bring out the pie cap drawings. So I will go right now, click on this place here, and then click on the pie cap. Let me just click here, right click here, and then say draw pie cap one by one. I will not draw all the pie caps because I have some that are typical. So I'll draw it now based on the pie. I can see that I have already named the pie caps pie cap 1, 2. I'll just quickly draw them individually. So I'll quickly draw one of them first, which is the pie cap 1, and I'll come here and then paste it here, and I'll go to pie cap 2 and come here and paste it here. Now when you're doing your pie cap design, you can see that you must make sure that you are able to group your pie cap. As you can see that I group my pie cap based on pie cap 1, PC1, PC2, 3, and 4 like that. Okay, so you must group your cap. As you can see that right now it is not pasting, so I will go right now and then go to my pie cap 4, click on pie cap 4, right click here and they say draw, and then come here and paste it here, and then go again right now to pie cap, I think I have pie cap 5. Yes, I have up to 6. Come pie cap 5, click here and then paste it here. Okay, and then go to pie cap 6 here, which is the last, and then come here and click here and then paste it here. Okay, that should be all. So right now you can see that we have 6 type of pie cap, which is pie cap 1, 2, pie cap 1, as you can see it here, which is the 4 number of pies on it, pie cap 2, which is the 2 number of pies with it, and pie cap 3, which is the 3 number of pies with it, and then pie cap 4, which has 5 number of pie cap. I can see it here, pie cap 4, which I named it, and it has 5 number of pie cap, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then pie cap 6 here, which has 6 number of pie cap, and pie cap 5, which is PC5, which has number of 4. Okay, so basically this is how Protastructure draws its own pie cap, but this is not how Stonebridge template optimized it for you. Okay, so right now, since I've drawn this now, I will now export this layout and this pie cap drawing, because I am focusing basically on the foundation, which is the pie cap foundation, which is the pie foundation area. Soon I will also export the pie design for you. So right now I will come quickly here and then go over to this place here, scroll up here and then click here, right click here and then click on what, export. Okay, so I'll click here, export, and I'll come here and say what, export. They will ask me to what, replace. I'll say yes, override the old one, and then wait for it to load up. Okay, so once it's done loading, it will show me the where the file is being saved. I will now open it now. So this is not the file here, so I'll open it now on AutoCAD immediately. Okay, and then once it opens now, say yes, continue, and then you will see this is now, I can see it right now, this is now our pie cap, which is being drawn from Prota detail. You can see that. So basically I will now be using the Stonebridge template. This is where the Stonebridge template comes into play. As you can see that what this software did for you, which is the Protastructure did for you, is not really good in terms to present it to your client. I can see how the dimensions are being done and all that. It is not perfectly okay, so you cannot go and present this to your clients and all that. So I'll be showing you now how to now optimize this drawing using the Stonebridge template, and everything will be done automatically. And you can also see your pie cap here right now. So with this now, I will now go and open the Stonebridge template. So if you are new on Ekidel here, I'll say you can watch our videos on Stonebridge template, or simply go to your browser, Google, and just type Stonebridge template and click on videos. You will see most of our videos that we have done on the Stonebridge template, and then watch it and see how the Stonebridge template works with Prota Structure software, Staadpro, and then the other software like Orion and all that. Okay, so right now I will now go and open the Stonebridge template. So I'll just go to right now to my document here, document folder, and then you will see this place here. You can see it. If you have this software already, this template already, you can just open it from here. But if you don't have it, I'll say you should click on the button down below and then download that. Okay, so right now I'll open it now. Okay, so on opening the Stonebridge template now, I can see there, this is Stonebridge dealing template 2024 version. So this is the latest version for the Stonebridge template. Now, as I say again, if you are new on Ekidel and you are not confident on how to use Stonebridge template, or this is the first time you're hearing about it, sorry, I would say that you should just check my recent video, or go to Google and search for Stonebridge template, and you will see everything about Stonebridge template. Okay, so right now for the Pi foundation, once you're done with your design on Prota Structure for Pi foundation, and you have extracted your drawing details just like this here, as you can see it now. So I will now go to the Stonebridge template and now go and use the Pi foundation layout. Okay, so I'll come now, minimize this, and then minimize this again, and on this Stonebridge template now you will see different tabs. As you can see that there is tab for the first tab here is said building on Pi foundation, and this one say building on slab foundation. So right now this my building here is on a Pi foundation, so I'll just go and then select the template that says building that is on Pi foundation. So I'll come now, minimize this, and then come here and then choose building on Pi foundation. I'll click on it right now and wait for it to now open the template on AutoCAD. Now this Stonebridge template works on every version of AutoCAD. So even if you're using AutoCAD 2020, AutoCAD 28 and all that, it will still work. So right now you can now see that it has opened up, which says the Stonebridge template for Pi. Okay, so right now, sorry, let me just hold on. So on this now, once this opens up now for the Stonebridge template, the first thing you see is that you will see this this rectangle and a sample of drawing that was done before using a Stonebridge. So Stonebridge right now is telling you how your drawings are meant to be done, as you can see right now. So but right now, and also how your pie caps are meant to be done. Okay, so right now I will now go onto this place here. Now if you go and look at this one now, this is what the Prota Structure gave you as your layout, as you can see it here. Now if you go and look at the sample that is here on this Stonebridge template, you can see that there is a big difference here, because this one right now simply means pie cap and stroke column 3, pie cap 3 and column 3. This one is saying pie cap 2 and column 3. So it also names the pie cap and the column inside, and not just the pie cap. Okay, why this other one that is on the Prota Structure here is just naming just the pie cap here, say alone, and all that. Okay, so right now the first thing you do once you open this your Stonebridge template for Pi foundation, you can see a rectangle here. This is where you're meant to paste your own drawing, or your own your own drawing. And now I'll come here right now and copy everything that is done here. Now once I copy it now, just look at what will happen. I'll copy it now. First of all, I'll copy this one first. I'll copy just the layout first. I'll copy the layout. If I copy the layout now by going here and say copy, and then come here to this Stonebridge template here, and then come here right now, right click here, and then I come here and I say paste. Okay, I'll paste it inside this rectangle here. Now watch what will happen if I click now and then to paste it here. Now you can see how your drawing is right now. You can see that before this was how your drawing is here. This is how your drawing is here before, when it is just only on Prota Structure that was exported. Now on the Stonebridge template now, this is now, once you paste it now, this is now the shape it will begin to take. It will begin to get the shape of what was here before, as you can see that. So right now I'll now move again. The next thing to do again right now, from this one we just pasted now, let me just paste again. Let me show you again. I'll go again right now, copy it again right now, just the layout, right click here, and then come here and copy, and then come to the Stonebridge here, come here, right click here, and then come here and then paste. Automatically right now it will just change automatically. Okay, and paste it there. It has changed automatically. So right now the next thing to do again is to click on this one here, this dimension here, because this is not right. Right click on it and say, and do what, select similar. Okay, and then right click here and then say what, erase. Okay, so right now once you erase that now, okay, then I will now come again, click on this other one here, right click here and then select similar and do what, enter, which means erase, and then I will type what, RE. RE simply means regenerate. Okay, but before I do that, I'll first of all go and paste my pie caps. So I'll come here again right now and then come here and paste my pie cap. I'll copy my pie caps now, copy it now, then come over here, right click here on this same place, this same tab here, this same rectangle here, right click here and then come here and then do what, paste. And I'll paste this here and then paste this here right now. Okay, I'll paste it now. Okay, so once I paste it now, then the next thing I'll do, right, let me just take off this one off because this is like a duplicate. I will now do what, I will now come here and then type what, RETFSTB. Okay, I will type this value right now. This value simply means RETSFTB. Okay, this is like a custom code for Stonebridge templates, which helps to optimize your pie cap, your pie foundation drawing to a standard method of drawing. Okay, so I'll type this right now and then I'll do what, I'll press enter key right now. So once I press RETSFTB and I'll press enter. Now once I press enter just now, I will now go ahead. Now and then go ahead. Once I press enter, I will now go ahead now by pressing that enter, that RETSFTB. Once I press that, I will now go ahead now, right click here now and then go what, and then paste. Automatically now it will just convert what we have just done so far to a standard way of how pie cap is meant to be. So I'll come here right now and then paste it here right now and then come here and then say what, okay, and then I'll wait for it to now finish. Okay, so right now you can now see how our drawing now is using the Stonebridge template. Okay, so this is now the drawing. You can see how this one's now is now being optimized compared to before we like press our RETSFTB. So this is the one here, and then let me now show you other ones. These other ones here, you can see that these other ones, there are these unknown grids which are not useful, so it has also removed all those grids for you. Okay, and then also these other ones too here, the pie here, we are not having center lines, as you can see that, but this other one right now, after pressing that RETSFTB, now has the line of center line here. See right now. Now you can also see that since on our drawing here, on our from our design here, we have connecting beams here. You can see the connecting beams here that came from the design. As you can see it here, these are the connecting. Let me just go to the plan view. These are now the connecting beams here, as you can see there. Also, you can also see the connecting beams on our drawing here, as you can see them here, connecting beams showing the dimensions and all that. Okay, and then you can also see that it has also grouped your pies for you. This is pi cap 5, and then pi cap 6, pi cap 4, and all that. Then also, if you now go to the pi caps here, you can also see your pi cap drawings here, which says the pi. This is pi cap. What's that? This is pi cap. Okay, pi cap 2. Yeah, pi cap 2 from this expected drawing here is saying of two pies. Yes, this pi cap 2 that says 2 pies. Okay, and then you can now see how the Stonebridge template on is here, as you can see it here, showing the form plan, which is just the concrete, and then also showing the how the bars are to be placed, as you can see that right now, and also showing the layout of the reinforcement, as I see right now, rebar of pi cap on this, and then also showing how you are meant to bend the bars, as you can see that, bend the bars, and also showing the shear reinforcement, because since this depth here is 1.1 from the design here, let me see, yeah, is showing 1.1 from the design here. Yes, 1.1. There should be a shear reinforcement, which this prototype here didn't show, but this other one now have to show the shear reinforcement, because at this depth you are meant to provide a shear rebar. Okay, so this is also the shear rebar showing all the dimensions for you guys. And also, if you check other ones too, this is for the pi cap 3, which is also on this other place here, pi cap 3, I think so. Yes, this pi cap 3, okay, having dimension of 1975 or 1975. Okay, and also the same thing here, pi cap 3 having 1975, 1975. And if you look at how this one is here, I was not showing all the right dimensions that we need for our construction, as you can see that, but right now here is showing everything that we need for our construction, as you can see that. Okay, so basically you can see how the Stonebridge template have just optimized all our drawing, as you can see, from what it is here, from what it is as it is here when it came from Protastructure, from what it is from this very stage here, from this very stage of Protastructure here, we now transfer it to AutoCAD here. This is how it was, and then when we now use the Stonebridge template, you can now see what we have just gotten from the Stonebridge template. Okay, this is now what we got using the Stonebridge template. Okay, so this is now what we got at the end of everything. That you can see right now, this is what we got by the end of every. This one is for the for the 5 pi cap. Yes, where you have the 5 pies in a pi cap. This is the pi cap 5. Okay, pi cap type 5. Okay, and it's 10 number doors basically. And if you can count these 10 number doors here, the pi cap that has 5 number of pies in it. And if you can count on the software here, again, let's count. Here is one. This other one here. Here is one first, and then this is 2. Yeah, this is 2, having 5 pi caps. Sorry, 5 pies. And this is 3. Sorry, this is 3. Let's start from here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that should be 10 somewhere. 10 somewhere. Yes, and 10 here. This is the 10th one. Okay, so this is the 10th one here, having 5 pi caps. Okay, and then if you can look at the one that has 4 pi cap from the Stonebridge here, what does it say? How many number did it say? Gonna have 4 pi caps. It says 14 number doors. So let's go and count again the one that have 4 pi caps, having what dimension of what 197 by 197, and let's go and count from there. And then let's see the one that have 197 by 197. Okay, let's not start from, let me see the last one here. This here is 1. We have 14 number doors. Here is 1. This is 2, and 3. Okay, 4, and 5. Here is 6, and 7. Yeah, 8. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and the last one here 14. Yeah, 14. So basically, can I see that everything? This just to show you how this Stonebridge template works directly with your drawings. Okay, so you can now see how this Stonebridge have just converted all your drawings down to what is right to be, like how drawings are meant to be, and showing all the details that will be used for the construction. Okay, so you can now see how it is done. Although this Stonebridge template works perfectly on every cases, this is just for a pi foundation. You can see that right now it works for the beams and columns. I have done many videos on that, so you can watch that videos and all that. And then it also does works with Staadpro software and works with CAC Orion software. I'll be making more videos on CAC because I've been seeing more comments that people say I should make video more on how to use the Stonebridge template for CAC. Although I have done one video for that so far, but I'll be doing more video for that soon in time coming. So you can now see how this Stonebridge template have just optimized all our drawings, as you can see that right now, from what we have to so you can now see how it is done, how it have optimized it from what we saw from this here, from this, as you can see how this one that came from Prota looks like. It's not really a standard way of method of like how your joints are meant to look like, but you can now see how this how the Stonebridge now makes it more cleaner and lessen your workload. Okay, so I'll just quickly come here right now, then remove this other one. I don't need this. I'll just take this off right now and make it more cleaner. Okay, and then the next thing to do is just to now dimension my dimension this layout. Okay, because if you look at the sample that was given to us here, there should be a dimension for your grid to grid. Okay, so right now I'll just go ahead right now and dimension it from grid to grid here. So I'll go here just now. Let me just show you. I'll just go here right now and then click on dimension. Okay, the dimension style, and choose my dimension style. Now if you want this Stonebridge template, I'll say check on the link down below and download that. Okay, so I'll come here right now, then come here and then dimension. I'll choose dimension. Let me choose 50. Okay, and then say set correct. Okay, and then come here. I'll go up here. Let me choose no, 50 is okay. I like 50. That's fine. Just close. And then come here, click on this right now and choose angular dimension, and then come here, click on this and dimension this here. Let me just off my auto dimension this here. Okay, dimension here, and then come continuous dimension here, continuous dimension. Let me just do again from this again to this. Okay, and now on my din count simply means continuous dimension. That's what din count means. Din count simply means continuous dimension right now. So I'll continue right now and dimension all my grid to grid here. As I see what I'm doing right now, dimension all my grid to grid here. From grid to grid should show all the dimensions from to this point to this point here. Okay, now I'll have to now change to a vertical dimension. I'll come here right now and then change to this linear and dimension from here to here. Okay, and then click this other one here, just put it here, put this here. Okay, and then go again right now and on my din count for continuous dimension. Okay, and I'll continue again from here to here and from here to here. So I'll do just that right now for all of them. I can see right now, I'll just be fast with it and do again. I'll just do again here, continue again from this point again to this and to this. Now if you want these templates, I'll say check on the link down below and download these templates. It is not free and it's not expensive, but it will help to like reduce your workload to at least 80%. So you can choose that if you want to get it and all that. Okay, so I'll come here again right now, click on this here again. So I'll just do all that right now by continuing doing this, and then din count. Okay, din count, and then continue here and continue and all that. So this is just to show you how this template works. So I'll just stop here for this video, and then at least I've showed you guys how this works and how your works are meant to be done perfectly. I can just choose to shift this because it's trying to touch the drawing. I'll choose to shift this right now and shift it backwards somewhere here and keep this here. That's fine. Okay, that's fine. I'll choose to shift this one also by just maintaining uniformity and do this also here, and do this here, and shift this right now from this point here to this place here. That's fine. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so now you can see how it is done perfectly. So thank you so much, and God bless you for being a part of this video. Now, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I would say you should click on the subscribe button and then subscribe to the channel Ekidel, so that you don't miss any video about structural design. Okay, so, okay, bye for now, and then see you again next time. Bye.